Do you need to order a replacement part for your Whirlpool dryer? Well, I'm Dustin from Parts Doctor, and today I'm going to show you how to locate the model tag so you can be sure that you're ordering the correct part. This also applies to some other great manufacturer brands such as Kenmore, Maytag, Amana, and more. It's super simple, so let's jump right in. On this style dryer, the model tag is located in the top right corner near the door switch. Use the model number from this tag to search on PartsDoctor.com to find the correct part. PartsDoctor.com offers fast shipping and only sells genuine manufacturer-approved replacement parts. By repairing your appliances at home, you can extend their lifespan, keep them out of the landfill, and save yourself some money in the process. Check out our YouTube channel for an expansive library of repair videos. I'm Dustin with Parts Doctor. Until next time, thanks for watching, and we'll see you later.
Thank you.